If your TickTick app is not opening, stuck on the loading screen, or crashing right away, don't worry. This is usually caused by cache issues, outdated versions, or device conflicts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TickTick app not opening step by step in 2026. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can stop the app from loading properly, so make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, force close the TickTick app completely and reopen it. This clears temporary glitches that may be causing the app to freeze or fail at startup. If that doesn't work, restart your device. A simple reboot often fixes background errors and refreshes system resources. Now, check if the app is updated. Go to your App Store and install the latest version of TickTick, since outdated versions can cause startup problems. If the issue continues, clear the app cache on Android devices. Go to your settings, open apps, select TickTick, and clear cache data to remove corrupted temporary files. On iOS, if clearing cache isn't available, uninstall and reinstall the app to get a fresh version with clean files. You should also check if your device storage is full. Low storage can prevent apps from launching properly, so free up some space if needed. Next, make sure TickTick has the necessary permissions, including background data and network access, so it can load correctly. If you are using battery saver or data saver mode, turn it off temporarily because it may restrict the app from running in the background. Finally, if nothing works, log out and log back in after reinstalling the app. This often resets broken session data, and that's how to fix the TickTick app not opening. Yeah, in most cases, updating the app, clearing cache, or restarting your device will get everything working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.